We can handle all online courses, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management.
To my YouTube channel IT Guides. In today's session, we are tackling Chapter 4 of recently launched Exp22 course, focusing on ML1 EBL Sporting Goods. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exams, or complete course. Don't hesitate to connect for support in various courses. Let's start assignment and solve step by step. Title of assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 ML1 EBL Sporting Goods. You can see your project description here to get idea about your assignment. First step is about Start Excel. Download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 ML1 Inventory. Gradle has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. You can download this file from IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded and opened this file. So move to the next step, that is step number 2. Step number 2 is about freeze the pen's head cell B2 so that the column labels do not scroll off screen. In this step, basically we have to freeze the pen's head cell B2 so that our column labels do not scroll off screen. Go to the Excel worksheet. We have to freeze pen head cell B2. We will click in cell B2 and then go to the View tab. In View tab, in the window group, we will see that Freeze Pen. Click here. Now click on the Freeze Pen. It will freeze the pen so that column labels do not scroll off screen. Move to the next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is about convert the data to the table and name the table Inventory 2024. Basically, we will convert data that is available on our Excel worksheet into the table and then name the table Inventory 2024. Go to the Excel worksheet again. We have to convert this data into table. So we will select this data. After selecting the data, go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, we will click on the table. It will ask for us that we want to create a table. If we will check this box, My Table as header, it will include our table headers. So it will check. Now click on OK. It will convert our data in a table. Now we have to give the name of the table Inventory 2024. Copy this text. We will select the table. In the Design tab, here we will show the table name. Now rename it from Table 1 to Inventory 2024. Now our table name is Inventory 2024. Step number 3 is completed now. Move to the next step, that is step number 4. Step number 4 is about apply light green table style light 18 to the table. In this step, we have to format the table by applying the new style, that is table style light 18 to the table. Go to the Excel worksheet. We have to apply light style 18. In the Design tab, here we will show table styles. Click it. Now here we will see that our light 18 style. In light group, we will see light 18. It's our light green table style light 18. Now click on it. It will apply on our table. After applying style light 18, it will look like this. Now move to the next step, that is step number 5. Step number 5 is about sort the table by warehouse A to Z, then by unit price smallest to largest, and then by department. Create a custom sort order for department so that it displays in this sequence: training, athletic apparel, footwear, fitness, outdoor gear, and toys. So firstly, we will sort the table by warehouse column in A to Z, means in ascending order. Go to the Excel worksheet. We will select our warehouse column. In the home tab, go to the editing group. Here we will see our sort and filter. Click on sort A to Z. We will click on custom sort. After clicking it, firstly we will select first sort by warehouse and in order A to Z, mean ascending order. Click OK. It will sort our warehouse column in ascending order. Then we have to sort by unit price, smallest to largest. After warehouse, we have to add second level for the unit price. We will select here unit price and sort it in order smallest to largest. By default given smallest to largest. Then we have to sort by department. So we will add third level for department. Here we will select our department column. For department column, we have to create a custom sort order so that it display in this sequence: training, athletic apparel, footwear, fitness gear, and toys. We will select this text. For department column, we have to create a custom sort. Now we will click here and click on custom list to create it. Paste our text here. Click to add. It will add our this text in custom list. Click OK. After click on OK, here we will show our custom list. Click OK. Now our sort will done. Step number 5 is completed now. Move to the next step, that is step number 6. Step number 6 is about to remove the duplicate records from the table. Excel should find and remove one duplicate record. Basically, in this step, we have to find and remove the duplicate records from our table, and Excel will find just only one duplicate record from our table. Go to the Excel worksheet. We will select our table data. After selecting table data, go to the Design tab. In the Tools group, here we will show Remove Duplicates. Click on it. Click OK. It will show you a message that one duplicate value is found and removed. 78 unique values remain. Click OK. In question here we will write here, it's right that Excel should find and remove one duplicate record. So we see that here our Excel find just one duplicate records and remove it. So step number 6 is done now. Move to the next step, that is step number 7. Step number 7 is about create an unqualified structure reference in column G to determine the value of the inventory on hand. To calculate the inventory on hand, multiply the unit price and amount on hand. In this step, we have to calculate inventory on hand in our column G. We can calculate our inventory on hand by multiplying the unit price and amount on hand. Go to the Excel worksheet. For calculating inventory value in column G, we will multiply our unit price with amount on hand. So we will select unit price, then multiply it with amount on hand. Press enter. It will calculate our inventory value. Now here it calculate our inventory value in column G. Move to the next step, that is step number 8. Step number 8 is about apply a total row to the inventory 2024 table, set the amount on hand to average, format the results to display with 2 decimal points. In this step, we have to just apply total row on this table inventory 2024, then set amount on hand column to find its average, then format the results with 2 decimal points. Go to the Excel worksheet. First of all, we have to apply total row on this table. So we will select the table. In the design tab here in table style options group, we see that total row option is available. Click on it. it will calculate our total average values for the inventory value. Now we have to set the amount on hand to average. For amount on hand column, we have to find average. So we will click here and set it average. It will calculate average value for amount on hand column. Now format the results to display with 2 decimal points. We have to format these both results to display with 2 decimal points. So click on this cell, go to the home tab. Here we have to set 2 decimal points. In the number groups, we will click here and set 2 decimal points. Here already it set 2 decimal points. Click OK. Now it will display the results with having 2 decimal points. Total steps in this assignment is 13. I have done 8 steps by completing each and every detail given in the instruction of these steps. For remaining step of this assignment are help in another assignments, exams, quizzes, or our entire course is covering Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Finance Management, Information Technology, and more. Feel free to get in touch. Contact me through provided email or WhatsApp given in the description and display on screen and make deal with me. I assure you for achieving an A grade in all your courses. Thanks for watching my videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the videos. Thank you.